When I come here, similarly when I come here, this is 2 over 3 pi. Now for this one, I will again write the two things, and what will be here? Let me now write for this one. This will be, if I write with another color, then it will be good to differentiate here with this one. So this integral is equal to sine here b1 here is equal, okay, here we have b1 equals to 2 pi over a, okay, and b2 is this, so they are changed here. b1 is equal to 2 pi over a and b2 is equal to pi over a. So I have b1 minus b2, so it will just come out to be pi over a, and then it will be with this is z here. Similarly, divided by that pi over a here, minus sine b1 plus b2. So sine and 2 this, so this will become 3 pi over a and z, and this one will be 3 pi over a. Now 3 pi over a and this. So here we have the result. Now putting the limits, because they are inside the limit from 0 to a. Now look here, when I put z equal to a, then a are cancelled, and sine pi I know that this is equal to 0. So the first term has become 0 here, minus, what about the next term? If I put a here, then a are cancelled, and sine 3 pi, sine n pi is equal to 0. So 3 pi is equal to 0, and I got that this term is not contributing at all. So what happened actually, this has given us the result a over 4. This has given us the result 2 over 3 pi, but this gave us 0, and as they are in multiplication form, so something multiplied by 0 is 0, and we got WAB equal to 0. Then its other element WBA, if I write WBA, then see here that what WBA will be. WBA will be equal, means this will come here and this will come here. So it will be sine 1 to 1 and V0 sine 1 1 2. It will be this. So this will make no difference, because now 1 1 is the same, 2 1, and then this term will come here and this term will come here. So the y term will now give us 0. So it means, because they are changing, means the sine phi will give us 0 here. So they just means this term, when this terms come here and this one comes here. So here is pi and here is 2 pi. The limits will be from 0 to a for the z. And then again this term will give us 0, so it means the WBA will also give us 0. So we have found with WAB equal to 0, we have found that WBA will also come out to be 0. Then we are left with WAC. WAC. Now WAC, what this will be equal to is, here is A, so it is psi 1, 1, 2, and then V naught, and then psi C. So psi C is basically 2, 1, 1. So all this combination, whether this is 1, 1, 2, 1 to 1 or 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1. Now again this one means psi 1 and psi 2, this one, when they will come in interaction, 1 and 1 and 2 and 1. So again for this combination for the Z, 2, 1 will come as this. So here is 2, 1 combination. And again this 2, 1 combination and the limit 0 to A will give us 0. So the WAC will also come out to be 0, and this will be true for WCA as well, because CA will become here, 2, 1, 1 will come here, and then 1, 1, 2 will come here. So again that combination for the Z will give us 0, and WCA will also become 0 here. So we got these three terms, we got WAB terms, we got WBA term, we got WAC term, we got WCA term. So the two terms which remains is WBC and WCB, and we are going to calculate those as well. WBC and WCB. One thing we are sure that WBC is equal to WCB. They will be the same as we have noticed in all of them, because the integral shape or the symmetry gives us this indication that what they will be equal to. So we are now trying to calculate WBC. WBC is, we are going to calculate, so WBC is equal to psi, and it is B. So B means 1, 2, 1, and then V naught, and then this is C. So it means psi 2, 1, 1. Now whether that combination will work for the z-axis, and now that will not work because it will not give us 0, because here 1 with 2 and 2 with 1, so these are for the x and y from 0 to a, and this it will give us 2a over 3 pi in this situation, because 1 and 2, so 3 pi it will 2a over 3 pi it will give us. Similarly, the 2a over 3 pi, this will also give us. So the x12 and the 21 will give us result like this. Then the z-axis is now 1, 1. So the z-axis is now 1, 1. 1, 1 means that it is now just sine square, and sine square it was giving us from 0 to a, it was giving us a over 2. So it means that WBC will not be equal to 0, and we are having this thing. That means this doesn't need any calculation, but we can see this thing directly, that this term, the first term, okay, we are having here 2 over a will come, cube will come as it is, then v naught. So let me write 2 over a in cube in v naught. This will come as it is. The first integral 2 1 2 combination will give us 2 over 2a over 3 pi, 2a over 3 pi, and the next integral, which is 1 2 has given 2 over 3 pi, then 2 1 will give us 2a over 3 pi, and then 1 1 will give us, as we have calculated earlier, this will just give us a over 2, not a over 4, because a over 4 it was giving in the limit 0 to a over 2, and the limit 0 to a we have earlier calculated that it is giving a over 2. So that is, we will have now to simplify this one. So see here that there is some cancellation possible, and that cancellation is that we are having a here, a here, and a here, and it gone with this a because this is cube. Then we are having this 1 2 is gone with this 1 2, and then we are left with what? This is 8. 8 multiplied by 2. 8 multiplied by 2 will give us 16. And then V naught here, 16 V naught, and then this one 9 pi squared. So 16 V naught over 9 pi square. And this is the value of BC, and this value is equal for CB as well. You can try to find out that this value comes out for CB as well. So what we got? We got all the terms now. We got the WCB, we got the WBC. Now our matrix is complete, and we will have to go further from all the values of this matrix. So I will now erase this one, and I will start over here from this one to write basically the matrix elements.